People think you have to quit your 9 to 5 to start earning more, but I didn't. And honestly, I didn't want to. I liked the stability, the routine, the paycheck. But the paycheck alone wasn't enough. Rent, EMI, bills. It felt like I was just surviving. That's when I decided to try something different. Instead of quitting my job, I started using my evenings better. I gave myself 1 hour a day, just one. At first, I offered Excel help on Fiverr. Just basic stuff, cleaning sheets, setting up formulas, formatting invoices. My first gig earned $800. Not life-changing, but it changed my mindset. Then I added a second skill, Canva. I made simple resumes, posters, and templates. Things I was already doing for friends for free. And by month 3, I was earning around $10K, $12K extra per month. Still working my job. Still logging in at 9:30 a.m. The best part, no pressure, no boss yelling, and all the money I made on the side, I saved it. That side income became my freedom fund. Now, 2 years have passed. I still have a full-time job and a side hustle. I don't have to quit my job to grow. I just had to use my free time differently. Now, some people might say, but Akash, you're not making as much as a full-time freelancer. Well, that's not the point. The point is, I don't need to. I'm happy with what I make. And this extra income gives me the freedom to spend my time the way I want. Like I can take an hour-long lunch break and work on my laptop while others are working. Or I can leave early and pick up my daughter from school. Or I can take up a new hobby. All because I have this 1 hour a day to myself. If you too want to earn some extra cash, but you're too afraid to quit your job, then this is for you. You don't have to be a full-time freelancer. You just need one skill, 1 hour, and one client to start. And trust me, your bank account will thank you later.